Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome to episode 9 of Backtesting my Forex strategy step by step, guys. And on today's episode, man, we're gonna be backtesting gold, guys. I know how much you guys love gold, so we're gonna be backtesting gold, right? So if you're new to this channel, guys, please do me and yourself a favor by hitting the subscribe button, bro, and obviously turning on the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. So this is where we're gonna be backtesting from. And you know, guys, when we start backtesting, the first thing that we look at, guys, is obviously market structure. You understand me? So looking at gold here, guys, we can see that obviously now gold has been building up these lower lows and lower highs. You understand me? So price was trending down. So if we just try to connect our trend lines all the way from here, guys, obviously now connecting it all the way to there, we can see that we have a valid market structure. Why do I say that, guys? Because we can see that here we have a what? We have a first touch, we have a second touch, guys. Remember, the second touch of the trend line, guys, confirms your trend line. It makes it valid. You understand me? And obviously we have our third touch. That's where we start looking for what? For our entry point. You understand me? Now that we've identified our market structure, guys, what are we gonna do? We're just simply gonna look for our support and resistance. That's our second confluence. You understand me? So in terms of support and resistance, I can see that, okay, here we do have a valid resistance level, guys. Why do I say that? I'm gonna be with you shortly and I'm gonna show you. You understand me? So if we go back left, guys, we can see that, okay, the reason why this resistance level is valid is because we had a rejection here. Price obviously came down, went all the way up, came down again, guys, gave us another rejection and went up. You understand me? So we have two rejections, guys. Two rejections confirms your support or resistance. You understand me? So in this case, bro, this resistance level, this whole resistance level is valid. Why? Simply because we have two rejections. You understand me? Hence why you can see price respected. Even here price has been respecting, even here it respected, and now on our third touch, bro, price obviously is respecting. You understand me? So now that we've identified our support and resistance, guys, the only thing that's left is obviously candlestick patterns, guys. So on the 4-hour time frame, we do have a candlestick pattern, as you can see right over here. We do have an engulfing bar candlestick pattern, but like I say on all my videos, actually it wouldn't hurt to go on the 1-hour time frame just to see if you can identify any candlestick patterns for what? For early trade. You understand me? So now we're just gonna jump onto the 1-hour time frame. So on the 1-hour time frame, guys, you can be able to see that, okay, if we just zoom it properly there, we do have an candlestick pattern, bro. We do have a what? We have a spinning top candlestick pattern. This bearish candlestick pattern is a spinning top candlestick pattern. And not only that, bro, it's also inside the previous bullish candlestick pattern. So we can also identify this as a what? As a inside bar candlestick pattern. And you know, with an inside bar candlestick pattern, we have to wait for the next candlestick to close. Hence why we do have here a bearish candlestick. You understand me, guys? So obviously after the bearish candlestick, if we were to take our trades right over here, guys, we would have obviously had our stop loss just above our candlestick pattern, and TP, we always target our what? Our highs or lows. You understand me? So in this case, bro, you see, if we would have targeted our low right over there, price wouldn't have reached the low, but then even still, bro, even where it reached, you would have bagged 5% on this trade. Why? Simply because you understand market structure, simply because you understand support and resistance, simply because you understand what? Candlestick patterns. You understand me? So this is what I've been backtesting all along. Then you find other people saying that, where is the strategy? Can't, what am I backtesting? You don't watch the first and the second episode, then you jump in here asking about where the strategy is. Here's the strategy. I'm showing it to you. I'm backtesting to you. You understand me? So moving on, guys, doesn't matter. Moving on, we can see that, okay, now gold here has been building up what? Now gold here has been building up, obviously, now these higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. You understand me? So obviously we do identify that as an uptrend now. You understand me? So if we just try to connect our trend lines probably from here and then stretch it all the way to there, guys, we can be able to see that, okay, we do have a valid trend line. Why do I say that, guys? We have a valid trend line because we see that here we have a first touch, we have a second touch right over there. Second touch confirms your trend line, remember, guys. And then we have a third touch. On the third touch, guys, that's where we start looking for what? For our entry points. So but before that, what do? We firstly have to identify our support and resistance, guys. If we just stretch this one here, okay, it's too far from the third touch. So on the 4-hour time frame, guys, we currently do not have any candlestick, any support and resistance. So we're just gonna go on the 1-hour time frame. You understand me? So guys, on the 1-hour time frame, if we just try to look for any support and resistance, guys, I don't think we have any support and resistance, so we're not gonna force it. You understand me? Sometimes we might find support and resistance, sometimes we might not. But then in terms of candlestick patterns, we can be able to see that here we have a what? We have a nice inside bar candlestick, guys. You remember what I told you about an inside bar candlestick, guys? An inside bar candlestick is an indecisive candlestick, and you have to wait for what? For the next candlestick to appear before you can confirm your trades. You can see that we have a bullish candlestick. Obviously now, if we were to take our trades right over there, guys, would have had our stop loss just below our inside bar candlestick. And TP, guys, remember we target our highs or our lows, and if we would have targeted our high right over there, guys, you can see that we would have bagged a nice 4%. Yo guys, like literally we would have bagged a nice 4% in profit. You understand me? Simply why? Because you understand market structure, because you understand support and resistance, and because you understand what? Candlestick patterns, guys. Like, it's that easy, bro. This is something of which you should backtest on a regular basis. You understand me? So let's look for more structure. Okay guys, so looking for more structure right now, we can be able to see that, okay, now price here has been playing around a bit. And then if we just try to zoom in right over here, let's see if we can't find anything from here. You understand me? Because we can see that here price was just building up these lower lows, lower highs, right? So obviously now we do have a valid market structure right over here. Why do I say that, guys? Simply because we can see that we have a first touch right over here, we have a second touch right over here, and we have a third touch right over here, guys. So it's a valid one because we have two touches of the trend line, which makes it valid. You understand me? So now that we've identified that, we're just simply gonna look for what? For our support and resistance, guys. In this case, we do see that on the 4-hour time frame there's no support and resistance, so we're just gonna go on the 1-hour time frame. You understand me? Boom, guys. So on the 1-hour time frame, in terms of support and resistance, guys, okay, I do see that we might actually have ourselves a nice resistance level, guys. I'm just gonna show you real quick right over here so you can be able to understand. You get me? So looking at this, we can, okay, let's stretch it from here. Looking at this, guys, we can be able to see that, okay, in terms of support and resistance, we do have a valid resistance level. Why do I say that? Because we had a rejection here and we had a rejection here. Remember, guys, you only need 2 rejections, hence why this resistance level is valid, because we had 2 rejections already. Hence why price is also respecting here, and it's also respecting here, and it also respected here, and now it's respecting on our third touch. You understand me? So on the third touch, after obviously identifying our support and resistance, what do we look for? Candlestick patterns, guys. So if we just adjust it properly here, we can see that here, guys, we do have a what? We do have an engulfing bar candlestick, guys. Why do I say that? Because this bearish candlestick closed below the open of the previous bullish candlestick. You understand me? Hence why we call it an engulfing. And if we were to take our trades right over here, guys, and had our stop loss just above our candlestick pattern, and obviously our target is always our highs and lows, you can see that we would have bagged a nice 4%, guys. Why? Simply because you understand market structure, simply because you understand support and resistance, simply because you understand what? Candlestick patterns. You understand me? So this is what I've been backtesting with you guys all along on the previous videos. You understand me? And guys, before you start commenting, asking about where's the strategy, make sure you watch the first, second, and the third episode. You understand me? That's where I explain support and resistance. That's why I explain market structure. That's why I explain candlestick patterns. You understand me? So otherwise, you do see that this would have been a nice trade, bro. Like literally. So yeah, guys, I think I'm just gonna end the video here, guys. Remember, I don't want to spoon feed you. The rest you can backtest on your own, guys, and make sure that you backtest thoroughly. Make sure that this strategy you are comfortable using it on gold. You understand me? Otherwise, man, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Let me know what you think about this video, guys, and most importantly, turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new episode. You understand me? Otherwise, man, it's your boy, Let's to the AGO. Yes sir.